Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Turn on your Vivo Y91 and unlock the home screen. Open settings from the app drawer or swipe down and tap the gear. Tap SIM cards and mobile networks to view each SIM's data settings. Select the SIM you use for mobile data if dual SIM is configured. Enable mobile data and check current connection type, such as 4G. Proceed to data usage to see daily, weekly, and monthly consumption totals. This overview, open settings and tap network usage or data usage to begin analysis. Set the billing cycle to match your carrier's cycle, for example, the first day. Enable data warning and data limit and set a warning at 90% of your plan. Scroll down to view per app data for the selected period and tap any app. Tap Restrict Background Data to stop apps using data in the background. You can clear mobile data statistics to reset the counters on the chosen date. Install your carrier's app to compare device totals with carrier records. Monitor data usage notifications and reduce streaming quality when you near limits. Disable auto updates on Google Play and app stores to prevent unexpected downloads. Limit sync frequency for email and cloud apps to manual or hourly intervals. Use Wi-Fi for large downloads and set updates to occur only on Wi-Fi. If unsure, contact carrier support with screenshots of your Vivo Y91 data page. Regularly review usage weekly to avoid surprise overage charges.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.